Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on differential equations. The question is, the boundary value problem x square y double dash minus 2xy dash plus 2y is equal to 0 subject to the boundary conditions y1 plus alpha y1 dash is equal to 1, y2 plus beta y dash 2 is equal to 2 has a unique solution if option A alpha is equal to minus 1 and beta is equal to 2, option B alpha is equal to minus 1 and beta is equal to minus 2, option C alpha is equal to minus 2 and beta is equal to 2, and option D alpha is equal to minus 3 and beta is equal to 2 by 3. Now, after putting x is equal to e to the power z, the auxiliary equation becomes m into m minus 1 minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. That is m square minus m minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0, or m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now on solving this you will get m is equal to 1 or 2. So the solution becomes y is equal to c to the power z plus b e to the power 2z. Now put z is equal to log x, then we get yx is equal to cx plus dx square. Now putting boundary conditions we get y1 plus alpha y dash 1 is equal to 1, that is c plus d plus alpha c plus 2d is equal to 1, or c into 1 plus alpha plus d into 1 plus 2 alpha is equal to 1, and y2 plus alpha y dash 2 is equal to 2, that is 2c plus 4d plus beta into c plus 4d is equal to 2, that is c into 2 plus beta plus d into 4 plus 4 beta is equal to 2. Now clearly option A holds, that is alpha is equal to minus 1 and beta is equal to 2.